Cat ears can make anyone look cute, so it is useful to know how to make them. In this video, I show you how you can make cat ears within a minute using nothing but a simple piece of fabric band like this, lace, or even a tie. Get ready and let's start right now. First, find the center point of the fabric. Then leave some space and fold each side. Now you have side A and B of the band. Now fold A, creating side C, which you place over B. Finally, pass the end of C under B through the hole and pull both ends of the band together. There you have a triangular knot that forms the first ear. You may pull, drag, or loosen the knot a bit to get it into shape. Decide how much space you want to leave between the cat ears. I use the length of the distance between my stretched out thumb and pinky. Now you simply repeat the steps you did for the first ear and your cat headband is already done. To wear it, tie the cat headband around your head. For these cat ears, I used a tie. As long as it's not too thick, thin, wide, or a really silky material, it will be easy and simple to create cute cat ears with almost any band. I hope you guys have fun making cat ears and stay meow-tastic. Bye bye boo!